Productions. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new 13-inch MacBook Pro. This specific model is the one with the 1.4 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 8257U processor. And this specific model also has turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, so it is not a slug by any chance. It has 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB solid-state drive, Intel Iris graphics 645, and this one specifically only has 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. And that is not really that much of a problem because you can always buy hubs and all kinds of other accessories to expand the capability of the computer. So if I wanted to plug in 4 flash drives, I could simply buy a Thunderbolt 3, aka USB-C hub, and USB-C and Thunderbolt 3 have the same connector type. If I wanted USB-A, I could buy an accessory for that will convert that signal to that. Going back to the specs of the computer, it has a headphone jack, stereo speakers, a backlit keyboard, AO2.11 AC Wi-Fi with Bluetooth 5.0, FaceTime HD camera, more specifically 720p resolution, which is not the highest resolution these days as it is 2019. However, it is only a laptop, and but then again, it could be nice. It has Mac OS, of course, because it's a Mac. Going back to the computer itself, you may notice that the plastic has been taken off. That's because I've taken it off a little bit earlier, so oh well, but I promise you that I've not opened it yet till this moment. So this specific model, before I unbox it, is the space gray color configuration. And again, it's the 13-inch model. So without further ado, let's unbox it. How about that? So immediately off the bat, you'll see that Apple has a great presentation. So there's a computer right at the top. So let's pull it with this nice little tag they provided. Alright, there's a computer. Let's set it aside for one moment. Alright, so going back to the box, you'll see a USB-C charging cable, which I believe is 60 watts, if not 85 watts. You'll also find your Apple documentation and the power brick. Going back to the Apple documentation though, let's take a look at what they include. So it turns out you have your easy setup manual explaining how to use the touch bar, touch ID. It indicates all the little parts on it. There's stuff about the warranty and essentials right here, safety. And there's also your essential Apple stickers. If you do not use these, just try to, because they are amazing, so I definitely recommend it. Now without further ado, let's take the plastic off the computer. We can finish this unboxing. There you go. And here's the computer. Fully unboxed, now start on. So we start with Alright, and we are back. So, without further ado, let's turn on the computer for its first time. So you see there's a little thing right here, so let's take this off. How about that? The computer just automatically turns on, which is a really nice touch from Apple. So let's go through the setup, get that set up. And after all that, I'd like to thank all of you for watching this amazing video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see Rest Productions for more videos like this. Comment down below if you would like a review video about the computer after a couple months in, maybe, just to see how it holds up. But otherwise, have a nice night, and thank you for watching. Bye.